and welcome to Let's Invest Right. Guys, with me is Essen. Welcome, Essen.
Hi, Farooq. Thank you.
Uh, Guys, we are here to discuss about another opportunity which we are going to be investing very soon. And the company which we are going to talk about is a very well-known company. It's been very strong. It's been in the market since many years. Everyone knows about it. But since few months, because of this pandemic, they've been facing a lot of trouble. So let's not waste our time and let's start directly with Essen. Essen, which company is this we are talking about?
It's Rolls Royce, Farooq, the dream
Rolls
of
Royce.
everyone's.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
So, civil aerospace is the main revenue bucket from which they are earning around 51% of their revenues. Then they have the power systems, which is yielding them around 22%, and the defense industry, which is giving them around 20% of their revenues. So I'll just go further into this. Civil aerospace is their main revenue generator, and out of this, 71% contributes of the business large engines. Then the business aviations provides contributes around 14%. So these are the two main buckets from where the company is generating.
so that's very obvious. In this pandemic, we have seen companies like Boeing, Airbus, who are the manufacturers. They don't have that much orders which they used to have previous years, and even we have seen a sharp decline in their stock prices. I think that is one of the main reasons
Yeah, that's
for.
one of the main reasons. So with pandemic, companies, especially related to the aerospace and aviation, have been hurt badly. They have been like struggling with the cash flows and managing their businesses. Many airlines, you would know, like have asked employees to either get voluntary vacations or work for flexible hours, or given them opportunity to work from home and with less pays and whatever. They have tried to cut their number of employees. Many airlines have done it. Same is the case with these companies that are preparing or manufacturing the uh, aeroplanes, like Boeing, like Airbus. And similarly, these suppliers for these companies, Boeing and Airbus, like Rolls Royce, have been hurt badly with the pandemic. The company right now is having issues with their cash flows, and that's why they are raising funds.
So, Essen, first of all, tell us pre-pandemic, what was the price this strong company was trading at? Like, what was that price? It was
Well,
around.
if you look at the 52 week average, like the 1 year average, the price was as high as $746. Right now, it's trading at around $92. So the price has gone so deep. Like if it goes back to the highest level, you'll yield around 7.5 times of your investment. That is 750% of your returns.
But Essen, when we are doing, of course, that we everyone knows the reason of like this pandemic has really hit very hard to industries like which are directly related to aerospace or the travel and tourism companies. Uh, when they break the technical barriers, well, like if it drops from 700 to 70,
Mhm.
I mean. Will it take a lot of time to come back, and is there any really chances or not?
See, for
Can you
sure.
share
So
some graphs
companies,
with us for this?
yeah. So if you look at this year-to-date graph that I'm showing on my screen, okay. Farooq, if you look at the year-to-date graph for Rolls Royce, the price was around 700, in the range of 700 before the pandemic hit. But when the pandemic hit, the price went down drastically. Now it's trading at around 96. Not only this, if you look at the 1 month trend of this graph for the share price of Rolls Royce, the share price was around 240, 250 in the range of this. And it has gone down drastically to 98, 96 in this range.
Yeah, I mean, it sometimes it look really crazy and scary as well. As in last week, you know, we were like in the market. The news was something related to share rights, and the price was really fluctuating. Last week on Monday, it rose more than 50%, and then we have seen it declining again as soon as the news for this share rights was coming, and I think that is being exercised. Can you share with us What was it all
Yes, Farooq.
about?
Farooq, if you look at the main reason for the decline in share price, as I was saying, the 1 month share price from 240 odd has gone down to 90, 98. Why this has been? The main reason is that the company was having difficulties in managing its cash flows. So, in order to manage its cash flow better and raise more capital, the company has raised around 5 billion pounds. Out of this 5 billion, 2 billion is from the right issue for the existing shareholders. So, what is a right issue? The question comes up because
Right.
many of you won't know it. Yeah. So the existing shareholders will get a chance that the company will offer them new shares, and probably it would be at a lower price than the market value. So it will be an option for the existing shareholders. If they want, they can exercise, or if they don't want, they don't need to exercise. Like, it's optional for them. And so they will also offer a price at a particular offer the share at a particular price, and they could accept it. So through this, the company expected that they will be raising around 2 billion pounds of capital. Plus, there's other 3 billion pounds. Out of this, 1 billion would be raised from the bonds. So out the company has exercised this right issues, and out of this 2 billion, almost 94% of the shareholders agreed. This shows that the shareholders, existing shareholders, think that the company would go up, the price would go up. And after this pandemic, and with the announcement that the vaccine is out, so probably aviation industry would go down, and Rolls Royce would have a great future, and it would impact the share price as well once the company goes up and the revenues goes up and things get to normal.
That's pretty amazing. What you have shared with us, that this right issues was very well taken by care by the shareholders, and most. What was the percentage you were saying? 94%
Yes,
agreed
94,
for
correct,
this.
correct. So this shows like
So,
investors are very optimistic about the company.
and that's true because it's a very big name, and so now we have seen today the market started with a positive note, especially for this stock as well.
That's this. If you look at the recommendation from the analyst, what they are saying, so the lowest price that recommendation from the analyst is around 675. So even if it reached to that level, you'll have around
That would be
6.5
massive, like
times of
massive
investment.
gains.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And the average price of analyst is around $975. So that's huge. It shows that the price is down, and it's sold at a very cheap price for you to invest.
However, one thing is for sure, such stocks right now, we will see a lot of fluctuations. If even we are going to take any positions, it is very risky as of now because for a short term, and especially people who are investors who are trading with leverage trading, they could really easily lose money. Thank you very much, guys, for watching us, and wish you very best of luck for your investments. And keep watching us, and please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.
Thank you.